just found out about this really easy way to clean the ice dispenser on a GE profile refrigerator. The model number is either this one of these two, PSC, or this PSC F30V GX model. I'm not sure which one or what the difference is, but I think they're pretty standard across GE side by side refrigerators. They look like this. Anyway, just looking up in it, I could see that there was some mold and stuff in here, and there's a really easy way to clean this, and so I just wanted to help out the next guy. So the front panel looks like this, and all this is up, and so in place, before you start taking it apart, you'll see there's these two little tabs. Here, it looks like this. If I put it together, you'll see that there's these two little tabs, one here and one over on the other side right there, and you just push straight up with a small, I think it's #1 flathead screwdriver basically, and that'll loosen this front lip where you can just slide that right off, and that gives you access to these. And there's 4 screws, Phillips head #2s on 4 corners here that you pull off, and that gives you access to this, and then you can clean that. I read whenever I was looking for information on this, that little solenoid right there, which is kind of hard to see because it's dark. I don't know what the part number is, but you can see it's kind of rusted up. Mine's still working, but it's not as fast as it ought to be. And so that's a pretty common thing for that to get a lot of rust on it here. You can see, and so I'm going to lubricate that to see if I can help prevent further rust, but I imagine I'll have to replace that. But it looks like it's pretty easy. It's a couple wires, and a couple screws behind it to get it off of there to replace it. So anyway, just hopefully this will help out the next guy. Again, how to clean the ice dispenser of a GE profile fridge.